Hello and welcome to the more advanced General Ledger interface tutorial. I'm going to be going into this assuming you've seen the previous video, and if you have not, click up here to get some of the basics on the GL interface. In this tutorial, we're going to go through an example of entering a schema using more than one code. And in this example, we're going to use department and position. So we're going to turn on here both the department and the position. And we're just going to add in our first entry. So we need both department and position. So we're going to take Hamilton, and we're going to take our LO1 basic position. Then we need to say what earning code. We're going to take our regular code. Then we'll put in our example account number, and we'll go OK. So we have our first entry. And what this is saying is if an employee works under position LO1 and in department 100, under regular hours, it will send this GL. If the employee works in department 100, but for example is in position LO2, it will not send this GL entry. It needs both codes to send the entry. So let's hit OK, and we'll put in another entry here. We'll go LO2, and then we'll put in the new code for that combination. So now if an employee works in department 100 but works in position LO2, it will send this different GL account entry. Now we'll go through an example of using department, position, and job. So we'll turn on job for the schema, and we're going to add our first entry. So here we need department, position, and job. We'll take our first department, our position, and our job, and then our earning code, which is going to be 01 for regular, and then our example general ledger account number, and we'll hit OK. Here for this GL entry to be sent, an employee needs to be working in department 100 with position LO1 and job 0524. If the employee is missing any of these codes in their time card, it will not send this general ledger account number. So then we'll go copy, we'll put in another entry here. We'll go 525, alter the GL to match what should be sent under this combination, and go OK. And so now if an employee works the same combination except on a different job, it will send the alternate general ledger account number. And that's all for this more advanced example of entering GL account entries. In the next video, which you can find here, we will go over what it will look like when you export general account numbers and how to fix a missing GL if it's not on your report.